Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where x plus 6 to the power 4 plus x plus 4 to the power 4 is equal to 82. Okay, or x plus this 6 can be written as 5 plus 1 whole to the power 4 plus x plus, now this 4 can be written as 5 minus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 82. Now let x plus 5 is equal to y. So here we will get y plus 1 whole to the power 4 plus y minus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 82, or y plus 1. Now this 4 can be written as 2 times 2 plus y minus 1. Similarly, this 4 can be written as 2 times 2 is equal to 82. Or now we can write here y plus 1 whole square all square plus y minus 1 whole square whole to the power 2 is equal to 82. Or now here we can use algebraic formula, so we can write here y square plus 2 times y times 1 plus 1 square whole square plus, similarly here we can use algebraic formula, so we can write here y square minus 2 times y times 1 plus 1 square whole square is equal to 82, or y square plus 1 square, that means 1, plus 2 times y times 1 is twice y whole square plus y square plus 1 minus twice y whole square is equal to 82. Now again let y square plus 1 is equal to m and twice y is equal to n. So here we will get m plus n whole square plus m minus n whole square is equal to 82. Or now again we can use algebraic formula, so we can write here m square plus twice my twice mn plus n square plus m square minus twice mn plus n square is equal to 82. Or now here this twice mn cancel out. Now m square plus m square is twice m square plus n square is twice n square is equal to 82. Or now taking count 2, here we will get m square plus n square is equal to 82. Now divided both sides by 2, we will get m square plus n square is equal to 41. Okay. Or now recall y square plus 1 is equal to m, so here we can write here y square plus 1 whole square plus 2y is equal to n, so we can write here 2y whole square is equal to 41. Or again we can use algebraic formula, so we can write here y square whole square plus 1 square plus 2 times y square times 1 plus 2 square, that means 4 y square is equal to 41. Or y square whole square plus 1 square, that means 1 plus 2y square plus 4y square, and taking this 41 to left side we will get negative 41 is equal to 0. or y square whole square plus 2y square plus 4y square is 6y square. Negative 41 plus 1 is negative 40 is equal to 0. Now here let y square is equal to k. So we will find out k square plus 6k minus 40 is equal to 0. Now here we can use middle term breaking rule. So we can write here k square plus 10k minus 4k minus 40 is equal to 0. Now taking common k to first two term, we will get k plus 10, and taking common negative 4 to last two term, we will get k plus 10 is equal to 0. Or now taking common k plus 10, here we will get k, and here we will get negative 4 is equal to 0. So we are find out k plus 10 is equal to 0 and k minus 4 is equal to 0, or k is equal to negative 10, but this is rejected, no gives real solutions, and here we will get k is equal to 4. Okay, we will get k is equal to 4, but remember here k is equal to y square, so we can write here y square is equal to 4. Now taking square root on both sides, we can write here square root of y square is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. Now this cancel out this, so we will get y is equal to plus 2 and y is equal to minus 2. But again remember, let y is equal to x plus 5, so we can write here x plus 5 is equal to 2, and here we can write x plus 5 is equal to negative 2, or x is equal to 2 minus 5, so here the first value of x1 is equal to negative 3, and here x is equal to negative 2 and negative 5, so the second value of x2 is equal to negative 7. So there are totally two values of x, negative 3 and negative 7. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.